Right, so I've just pinned that on there. It's flush with the back edge of the architrave. So if I find me, I want this front edge to finish flush with the back of that. So I want that to travel that distance so that it finishes there. That edge travel that distance to finish there. So I need it to travel that distance. So I'll scribe that like that. So I'll cut that. Start recording, it turns itself off.
If you want it, my workmate's just in the doorway.
Yeah, I might just put this on the floor. That's not bad.
yesterday. How come you never recorded it?
What were you saying?
You're recording that, aren't you?
Yeah, just don't worry about it.
How come you never have music on when you're working?
Partly because it distracts me. I don't like hearing the news. I don't want to hear about some young girl. And YouTube flags it.
Okay.
Even if there's, you know, like if somebody pulls up in a car outside and they've got the music on.
Really?
And you can just hear it in the background. When I'm editing, I can't hear the music. But if you turn the volume up, you know, beyond levels that you think,
Yeah.
you can just about hear it. And YouTube pulls that. So if there's I've got a video of that house that I did where there's an on-site radio downstairs.
Yeah.
And I couldn't hear it when I was editing. Or, you know, it's like building noise in the background.
Yeah.
But YouTube flagged it. So I had to go through it. I had to go through and just mute whole bits of it.
Right.